So, hi guys, I have my girls here with me. Welcome to my channel. Thank you so much for watching. Thank you so much for joining us. And if you love Valentine's, please give this video a thumbs up and comment your Valentine. And we're going to do some fun Valentine's.
And we are making cookies with heart shapes.
We're going to first make a pizza, a heart-shaped pizza.
And then we are making cookies.
Okay, can I finish? So we're going to make a heart-shaped pizza in the shape of a heart in honor of Valentine's Day. So excited to get started. And I'll show you guys all the ingredients I have for this.
We're excited! We're excited to pop the chain!
So first I have crescent rolls. Then I have cheese. Then I have pizza sauce. And I have a heart-shaped cookie cutter. I'm going to use the big one for this. And then I have some pepperoni. These are large pieces of pepperoni. This is all I can find in the food store. So I'm going to cut it up. So let's start with cutting it up.
I told Grandma not to bite it. You only bite it, so Grandma bite it with
Do you want pepperoni on yours?
yeah.
Okay.
I love pepperoni. Me too. Croissant.
Valentine's is in my holiday list, okay? Because that's just a time to show love to your loved ones, and I'm not saying that you can't do it every day, but it's just a special day, an extra special day. So, let's get started. So I have these pieces, thank you for taking them apart. I have these pepperonis cut up. So we're gonna grab this. And then we're gonna grab the heart and put it in the middle. This is the big heart. This is a tinier heart than I wanted, but it'll work. So I put it in the middle, and then we're gonna open this. Ooh,
It will pop.
it's gonna pop.
Wait, I don't remember how it pops again.
Oh, just wait.
Yeah. Okay. That was funny. What? Oh my God. What?
Okay, now,
Can you give us a piece?
I'm gonna line it up.
Only it's like this.
You want to try to keep it in this triangle shape?
Mommy, it looks
As
like
much
a
as
sun.
possible. Yeah, it does.
It's like a particle. Mommy, you know that's a dog.
It's supposed to be a heart. Okay, so we have that lined up. Looks like that.
Don't listen to my sister. She's a little crazy sometimes. What?
You can see. And then
You know, always says what I say.
we're gonna put some sauce around it.
I'm eating it on my plate.
Sauce. Which one?
What? So guys, we are doing chocolate. Chocolate not good. So even when I got play, it was a bit crazy. And then we are going to do now the Mila's a little crazy. So Don't
And then
listen
we're
to
adding
her.
the
She
cheese.
always says what I say. Okay, so don't listen to her. So everyone, Mila is a little bit crazy, and we are putting cheese on it, and every time we are putting it.
We're gonna put on the pepperoni, but we're gonna line it up like that. Up
Okay.
against the heart, okay?
Okay.
Do it on your time. I'm gonna remove the heart, since we got that shape around. And I'm going to wrap each side and tuck it under.
Oh, I can't even see. I can do it too.
Hold on, no. This one will be what he does.
Donut.
Hold on.
Donut.
Always more cheese. Add more cheese on top.
Donut. It's like a donut.
It looks like that, huh? Like a big donut.
Yeah. It's a huge donut.
All right.
Oh.
So right now it looks like that. We'll bake it at 350. Okay, so that's in the oven. We're gonna see how it does. And in the meantime, we're gonna make.
But we are.
What are we making? What are we having?
Cookies!
Hot chocolate.
Hot chocolate!
We're gonna have some hot chocolate while we wait because it is a bit chilly here today. And that was fun. That was quick, easy, little cute Valentine's Day meal. So I'll show you the end result when we come back. See you soon.
Bye bye. Bye bye. Bye bye. Till next time.
So this is what it looks like.
Don't tip it over, Mama.
I think I did a pretty good job. I think we did a pretty good job. So we're gonna taste test it now. Bianca's having an outfit change, so just get started. She's amazing.
You do it for me.
Come up, we're taste testing now. You could dip it in the sauce to test it. To taste it.
Taste test. Let's taste test. Ooh.
You want to dip it in the sauce? Is that hot? You want to dip it in the sauce? What do you think? How does it taste?
Mmm. Good.
Let me taste it.
I'm going in poop again. Mmm. So yummy.
That tastes really good. That's actually really good.
Hello.
Mm.
We did a good job. We actually did a good job on it.
Mm-hmm. Definitely a recipe worth trying. Thank you guys.
Guys, I'm just gonna stay here eating this.
And we'll be back with the rest of the cake box. Right?
To show you how it looks like and our reaction. Sorry.